In this process, first cut the earphone from where you don't need it. See, this is the earphone. I cut it from here, and this is the mouthpiece. So the earphone is become just a mic, a condenser mic, you can say. I will take the helmet and remove the padding first. And then I will remove this foam pad from here. I removed it almost. I just showing you how to remove. You get this on the hand and see, here is the gum. This was adjusted to the helmet front part, and here is three part. One is the cork sheet, second one is a plastic, and third one is a resin. So what I will do is I will place this mouthpiece here like this, and I'll cover it with the front part, and I will hold here so that the mouthpiece catch my voice easily. See, I'll hold here so that the mouthpiece catch my voice easily, and then I will use gum. It's a solution gum. You will find it your nearby hardware shop. I will use this adhesive to set this. Okay, let's see how to set this. It's so much sticky and it smells like kerosene. It's hard to control. Pardon my mistakes. And it will be easy if I remove the earphone. Now I will place the earphone here and going to close this. Blow it so that the gum become hot. I use here paper tape. I don't know what's its name, but it's a tape. It's scotch tape, but it's paper. It's made of paper. Okay, like the one we use for the first aid. I wrap the extra wire here and placing it in the free space of this padding like this. This step is complete, and in next step we have to place this where it was. You have to place the glue when on the glue that was placed by the manufacturer. So I'm placing just new glue on the old glue, and then it's going to be hard, I think. Oh. So this is the setup after installing the microphone, and I added the action camera to my helmet. It has a 3.5 mm interface by which I will add the microphone. It has not a 3.5 mm interface when I bought it from the market. I modified it. It had a built-in microphone that catch very hardly the voice or whatever you want to say, and this was the reason to modify this modify this action camera. I have not the video that I can show you how did I modified this action camera. You have to find this in YouTube. You will find many other video, I guess. Okay, and see, this is the microphone I just installed, and the cable I hidden in this pad. Here it is. So you can hide this cable in the padding of your helmet and bring it back when you are using the action camera. Pardon me. Now just add this, insert this cable, the blue cable, CN cable, the white cable, and it's ready to use. So I'm going to road now. I will speak with you in the traffic and I will help you to hear how it is working in the traffic or in the non-traffic area. So let's go. This is the view from my cockpit. The helmet is off visor. I basically ride off visor in the lanes. Now you are experiencing the sound in the road and the traffic. I'm facing moderate wind here. The sound quality will vary earphone to earphone. The earphone you are going to modify it and converting it to a microphone. So if the earphone is good, then the sound quality should be good. And for me, I used a very normal earphone that will cost you less than 1 USD. So I guess you got the point. You got the sound here on the road. I want to helping you to hear you understanding or understood the quality of this earphone. So this is the conclusion here. I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep well. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Assalamu alaikum.